Number 98, we're getting there. I want to stick with All of Me for one more. Here's the real book chart again. The mini real book I have here. A good exercise to do for a song, if you really want to study, is study the melody. So now, does the melody matter? No, some people ignore the melody. They never learn the melody, and they just blow their own solo all the time. But there's a lot to be learned from studying a good melody. Obviously, it's a famous tune. It's lasted 100 years. This song is still popular. So almost 100 years. And so what are there some things? Check it out. Not all the notes are in the chord tones. All of me, that's the chord tones. Why not? That's the D, that's the ninth. It's not in the chord. Take all of me, chord tones. Can't you see chord tones? D sharp, it's the sharp fourth of the flat fifth. B flat, it's a weird note. That's the flat 9. Ooh. Now the chord does not have a flat 9, but the melody does. Interesting. So maybe you make a little note. Throw in the flat 9 in that chord. Steal from the melody. The D minor is G, F. G is not in the chord. It's in 11th, so the 4th. It definitely does not fit with the chord by itself, but it resolves to the F. So think of these things. Study the melody. And the D chord, B, B flat A. What the heck? It starts on a B, on a solid, beat, and it's not even in the chord. There's a C. It's going to definitely, it definitely creates a clash with the chord. There's a C in the chord, and there's a B, and then the B flat and an A, which resolves it. Da dee da da. Those are chord tones. Da da do da 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 dee da do. All chord tones. Da 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 da. The flat 9 thing. Da da do dee da. The end. The D is not in the F chord. It's the 6th or the 13th. So you can spice it up if you want. It's not outside the scale. Da 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 D. And there's another D on the F minor chord. That's the 6th too. Is it minor 6? Yeah. Okay. Whatever you want. So throw in these things if you want. Da, 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 D. There's the B on the A, but B is not in an A7 chord. That's the 9th. So feel free to throw in the 9th. Feel free to steal ideas. Da, 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 E. Now what's going on there? There's 2 E's. They don't resolve over the G chord. It's the 13th. It doesn't have anything to do with it, right? But overall, in a dumb overview sense, da da da, it's all C major stuff that's heading to the end of the C. That's a trick you can steal from when you're getting towards the end of a song. You can abort and just blow blues notes of the overall key and create some tension that releases when it's obviously heading to the 1 chord. So there's a good study for you. Take a melody and analyze it, how it fits to each chord that it's under or over, however you want to look at it. And you can learn a lot for your own solos.